This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Tidal Roots.
Look at this festive display. Wouldn't that look fantastic on your porch? Well, you're going to find out how we're going to do that. We are at Tidal Roots, and we are with Kayla, who is the master at making these beautiful pots, right?
Yes.
Hi, Kayla.
Hello, how are we today?
Great.
Good.
Great. So they're super easy to do and super quick. So what we're going to start out with is the biggest of the bunch. So we have these nice, down at the bottom of your bunch.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh,
And
yeah.
we're going to start with those, and that's going to add a nice structure to our porch pot. So we like to call these thriller. So what we're going to do is just kind of pick a spot in the back and shove them down into this nice foam we got here as a base.
Okay. Right into the foam.
Right into the foam, yep.
Okay.
You're going to want it to be probably about 2 to 3 inches down. Yep, that sounds good.
Okay.
Perfect.
We do
Both
more.
of them. Okay.
Both of them, yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep, you could do a little twist, fill it
Can't
out.
see me through all of these.
There we go.
That looks great. All right. So now we're going to move on to the filler of the bunch. So that is going to be some of this beautiful cedar here.
Okay.
And you're down at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Perfect there.
And just anywhere, just stick it
Now
anywhere
we're
in there.
going to focus on the middle of the pot. So yeah, you can turn it around so it's a little easier. So we're
Okay.
just going to fill in the middle of the pot.
Okay.
Give it some nice structure and texture.
Now, when you say the middle of the pot.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just kind of filling in now.
All right.
So this is the filler.
The filler.
The filler?
Thriller.
The thriller.
And the filler.
Yep.
Okay.
So now we're going to move on to our spiller. So that's going to be our nice pine here. Yep, you got it. So see how it kind of drapes over the side?
Uh-huh.
We're going to kind of focus that on the front of the pot here. So that way it kind of gives you a little bit of visual interest down to the front of the pot.
Okay. So do we have to stick it down into the
Yeah, so
thing
stick
a
that
little
a
deeper?
little more, yep.
Yeah. Because it's not really.
Yeah, yours is a little big here. But if we, yep, that might be good.
You know, in a lot of ways, when you do this, you can't go wrong, right?
Exactly,
I mean,
yep.
there's no.
It's a bunch of green.
Nobody's going to come on my porch and be like, her thriller is in the
not-
wrong
yeah.
spot.
Right.
So now we're going to move on to our beautiful juniper here.
Ooh, that is beautiful.
And this is going to add almost a natural element of a little bit of pop of color from that beautiful, the juniper berries and everything. And the smell is amazing. I love it.
Oh, yes.
Right?
It smells like Christmas.
It does. It does.
So now we're going to add these towards the front of your pot, I would say. That way they're shown off on the front.
Okay.
Okay.
And I stole a little piece from you.
Oh, that's okay. You can just help me here.
And this almost acts as a spiller as well. It kind of wants to spill over
It
the
does.
side.
It does. Take a. Mine's spilling. Is yours spilling?
Mine's spilling, I believe.
Beautiful, yes,
about
that's
that?
pretty. I
Cool.
love
That is
it.
pretty.
So now we can move on to the decorations, the fun part.
Okay.
So if you want a little bit of visual interest, I recommend adding these nice birch poles. So
Okay.
I added them in on the back here to just add a little bit of structure to your pot.
Now, we're not putting this in the actual foam, are we?
You can, or you can just honestly put it all the way down to the bottom of the pot.
Okay.
And you can kind of vary the heights to them. It's all about preference, just whatever you're feeling.
Okay.
Whatever you feel like your pot needs.
My pot needs one right here.
Look at that.
That's going to tip over. Running out of room there.
Yeah, it can be a little hard.
Maybe put it there we go. There's a little more room back there.
There we go.
There we go. That's not
Nice.
going anywhere.
So now we're gonna take a little bit of extra, and we've got some fun stuff here, some fun pops of color. So we've got more of this birch and then some colorful branches and
Okay.
berries. So I'm gonna give you some too.
Oh, I like that. I
And we
like
can-
how you put the birch on sticks there.
I know, isn't that cute? And here's some berries for you too. Oh.
Okay. And where does that go?
So we're gonna just add these all around your pot. I like to focus the top stuff, or sorry, the tall stuff in the back.
Okay.
And then more of the more decorative stuff, so the pine cones, the berries and everything, more towards the front so you can see it and they don't get overwhelmed by all of the greenery.
Right. Oh, okay. This is fun.
It is fun.
And you can really put your own like spin on it. It really is not, rocket science. You can do really whatever you want with it and kind of tweak it to your own personal style or how you have your holiday.
And you actually do a class on this.
We do, yes. We're actually having one tonight. We're super excited about it. It's going to be so fun. So if anybody wants to come, please come on down to Tidal Roots. It's at 5:30.
I think I might be teaching the class tonight.
There
What do
you
you
go.
think?
Whoa.
I think just saying.
That
I don't
is
know.
good,
I may have
Steve.
found a hidden talent. I'm
I
not
think
sure.
you did. Yeah. If this were a competition, and it's not, you would win.
I'm sorry. Could you say that again?
Kayla, thank you so much. That was so much fun.
So much fun. I love it.
All right, well, stick around. We have more Delmarva Life from Tidal Roots on the way. Don't you go anywhere.